How to do gradient wipe effect in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node, connect it to Media Out, and change its color to white. Add an ellipse mask and connect it to the background. Select both background and ellipse and duplicate them by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Choose another color for the background. Select the first background, press Shift+Space, search for Dissolve, and add it. Connect the second background to Dissolve Green input. Select Dissolve node and change operation to Gradient Wipe. Decrease softness to 0, then right-click on Background Foreground and choose Modify with Animate Curves. Bring another background and connect it to the pink input of Dissolve node. Change type to Gradient. Change Gradient type to Angle. Then drag this handle onto the center of the ellipse. Now we have this animation. Select the background node, press Shift+Space, search for Transform, and add it afterward. Change the angle to change the starting point of the animation. Here I set the angle to 90 and click on this button to flip it vertically. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.